Driving a lorry is not an easy job. Dealing with the technicalities of the transportation industry while being away from family for weeks can take a toll on your driver's mental health. That's why you should do anything you can to take the load off your drivers as much as you can. With the EMDECS driver portal, we can help you do just that. Designed exclusively for drivers on the road, EMDECS enables them to report any failures or required repairs back to the repair shop personnel as soon as they happen. From managers to technicians, the real-time updates keep everyone prepared for the repairs ahead of time. On top of that, maintaining a centralized system enhances driver proactivity and allows you more transparency into what's happening with your vehicles, all in real time. This is just one of the ways EMDECS simplifies your fleet operations. Visit brightorder.co.uk to schedule a free demo with us today.